Big story we are breaking at this hour. Green light to class 12 board exams. Government sources indicate that Ramesh Pokhriyal, the education minister, is going to be announcing the class 12 board exam dates on the 1st of June, which is just about 7 days, a week from now. Class 12 board exams likely to be held in the month of July is what sources are telling India Today. That's the big story we are breaking at this hour. Kamaljeet Sandhu getting us more details on that. Finally, a green signal given, but I'm sure, Kamal, there are going to be certain terms and conditions. Just take us to what you're picking up.
Well, eyes of lakhs of students from CBSE and ICSE have been waiting for this news, and it's finally come that the examinations will finally go ahead, most likely from July. The details of which will be announced by Ramesh Pokhriyal, this is the education minister, by 1st of June. The modalities will be decided. Today's virtual meeting, which involved views from different stakeholders, clearly had some states who were opposing the idea of examination. For instance, Delhi and Maharashtra were not keen to go ahead with examination, talking about vaccination, talking about social distancing. But since last year, which was also a pandemic year, there were examinations which were called, and this year also they want to go ahead with the exams, keeping in mind that social distancing, mask, all the other precautions will be put in place before the examination. And now they've decided, and remember, some of them have said either reduce the timing, or from 90 minutes they should concentrate on only a few subjects. So there have been varying suggestions which have come in. States like Delhi and Maharashtra have said that based on their historical performances, they should be graded and should be passed. But this is obviously having lakhs of children's future at stake, and that is why a decision has finally been made that yes, there will be examination, there will be precautions taken. A final announcement of it will be made by the centre on the 1st of June.
All right, Kamal, thanks for getting us up to speed with that. Kamaljeet Sandhu telling us that possibility of this announcement of the dates being made on the 1st of June is high, is what she's saying.